Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript Daily Channel. Today we are going to talk about one topic in React by the name of React useState hooks. The React useState hooks allows us to track the state in a function component, and state generally refers to data or properties that need to be tracking in an application. First, we want to import the useState hooks at the top of our component like this. Import useState from React. Clean this. Yes. After that we are destructuring useState from React as it a name of export. Now we initialize the useState here. How to initialize it? useState accepts initialized state and returns two values. One of them is current state and the next one is a function that updates the state. One of them is current state, and the next one a function that update the state, like this. Const color and set color. We use it from useState, an empty string. We are destructing the return value from useState. The first value color is our current state, and the second value set color is the function that is used to update our state. These names are variable that can be named anything you would like. Okay. Now we use a state variable in rendered component. You write here, give one name, for example read. Here let me no problem. Okay, now let me cut this one, put it here. Now we return one header, for example my favorite color is like this. Now let's see. My favorite color is red. How to update the state? To update our state, we use our state updater function, and we should never directly update the state. Example, the color like this, we write read, and we use a button to update the state. Here we make one button. Inside of this button we give the type of this one button, and on click we use from arrow function here set color, we write blue. and here also write blue. Now when you click on this button, you can see the red color change to blue here. Yes. Now let me give some style for this. Class bg dash green, for example. Yes. And margin dash, for example, 5. We give padding dash 5 and rounded dash XL. It means we give a little border radius. When you click here, the update will be changed to blue. Yes. And what can state hold? The useState hooks can be used to keep track of string, numbers, boolean, array, object, and any combination of those. We could create multiple state hooks to track individual values. For example, we clean this one, all of them. We use one object. Let me clean all of them. We have const brand and set brand. We use state, for example, fort. We use const model, set model. Use state Mustang. Const year, set year. Again we use state. We give 1924. Const color and set color. Use state, write it. Now how to call all of them here? Give one header, my brand here, and it is we use color inside of this and model. From here. Now return this. My format, it's read mastering from 1943. Or we can just use one state and include an object instead also. For example, we make it like this. We clean all of them and just we write here car and set car. Use state. We write brand give fort model we give Mustang, year we give them 1943, and color red. Now we write here car.brand. Brand, car.color, car.model, and car.year. Again, like this it comes. Since we are now tracking a single object, we need to reference the object and then the property of the object when rendering the component. For example, car.color, car.model, and car.year, car.brand. Updating object and array in state, when state is updated, the entire state gets overwriting. What if we only want to update the color of our car? If we only call set car color, it means blue, this would remove the brand, model, and year from our state. We can use the JavaScript separate operator to help us. Now if we update the color, just the others will be removed. Now we can use by separate JavaScript, we can change it. Now we here make one function const. Let me first make here one button. We write here blue, and the type of this be also button, and on click should be update color, update color. Now here we call const update color. We use arrow function here. Now set color prevent previous state, here we return all of them. Previous state as color should be blue. Now if we return here, why it not didn't work? Button type button, and unclick update color, the value should be blue. Set color, the previous set, here is no problem. Okay, just the problem is this, that we change it to color. Here also Now it work. We give some style for this class bg dash read dash forehand. Yes, now it works. We clicked on button blue, it changed to blue. Okay, thanks for nice watching. It was about this topic by the name of React hooks, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.